So now we're going to take a look at how you release the front tyre and the front wheel. Now you might want to do this for two reasons. First, get your bike in the back of your car. Obviously by taking the front wheel out, you're reducing the size of your bike. And two, if you have got a puncture, it's often quite a lot easier to take the front wheel out in order to repair that puncture. So the first thing you need to do is you need to release the front brake. And you do that by squeezing together these levers here to release something called the noodle. And you just literally squeeze together and release that wire there, and then the front brake levers will flop open. Next thing you need to do is you need to release this handle here by pulling it out to the side, and then holding on to the nut on the other side, just loosen, loosen, loosen. And then eventually, by lifting your bike, you should find that the front wheel just drops out. And then you've got a much smaller bike to get in the boot of your car, or your wheel off to repair your puncture.